Hello, today we are solving Jan 2024 paper question number 1. Kachi is in the business of recycling plastic waste. The plastic waste was resorted and recycled into finished goods using specialist machinery. So this is part 1b. Explain the terms capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is an expense, okay, which is involved. It is an expense for the business for purchasing a non-current asset, or it can also involve as an expense for extending or improving the non-current assets. Even installation, for example, of the new machinery can become a capital expenditure. And this sort of expense is not recurring every year, okay, it might not recur every year. And also you can say that the benefit is going to last for more than 1 year. It becomes an asset, and also this is recorded, the total is recorded as an total cost will be recorded as an asset in the financial statement. Then revenue expenditure, this is like an expense. Okay, revenue expenditure is like an expense which is incurred for running the day to day expenses of the business, like maintenance, or it can be even the payments. Okay, it is all a recurring expense for the year. Benefit is going to last for only one trading period. Okay, and therefore, and though those income and revenue is matched, and it is recorded in the income statement. Okay, then state whether the following are capital expenditure or revenue expenditure. The purchase of new machinery will become capital expenditure. Even the installation of a new machinery is capital expenditure. Evaluate whether Kachi should invest in new machinery. So if you invest in new machinery, you will have less production cost, because this is going to produce more number of products, and the unit cost of production will go down. So thereby it will increase the profitability of the business. And also it might offer employment, so to the new machinery can offer employment in that region. So once no financial factor and the one non-financial factors. And also you can talk about more plastic would be recycled and the pollution is reduced, so waste is removed from the environment, and the life of the machinery is longer, 8 years instead of 5 years. So it's also providing sustainability factor. Okay, whereas the what are the points for not investing in the new machinery to be considered are, so it has a huge investment. It costs around 125,000 pounds for the new machinery. Okay, whereas the existing machinery is just was 85,000. And so it appears to be having, okay, you're trying to, there would be probably, you will have to make substantial investments, and also a risk that market could suddenly change and the trading could become much more difficult. It might also involve wage cost increase, because you're going to employ some certain set of people to operate this machinery. Okay, and you will have to pay them wages. And whatever the production cost you have estimated, assuming that you are going to increase the number of products and the production cost going down. Okay, so these are going to be only estimations. Okay, and in reality it might change or incur some other cost. So in conclusion, you can say Kachi should purchase the new machinery.